Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. A little short video. There are better ways to do this with print merge and everything, and you set up parameters. But I just thought I'd show if you just have a couple of names and all the names are different lengths, and you need the name in a certain, let's say this is a name tag and you have a logo on it, and you want to put a box about where the name should be. And of course, you'd want that perfectly centered. And matter of fact, let's see if working in the center page, let's see if it's centered, and it is. Then you could move this down to where you wanted it. And if you'll go to this envelope tool down here and make that an envelope. And then I've got my nudge factor set on 3 1/4 inches to move over this. So now we need to open up another, or at least the way I would do it is go to Effect and open up this envelope tool. Pick on your name and create an envelope from this form, and look how it did that. Now I would do all of them at the same time. Envelope form to there, pick that one, and watch this, what it does to this name. It made it fit in that box. And then while you've got them all done, several ways you do it. The easiest way for me to do it would be to grab that, hold down the shift key and grab that, and then go CE. Grab your name first, then your block, and CE, or EC, it doesn't really matter which way you go. You want to do your name first, because if you do this first and hold down the shift and go CE, it'll move your box to your word. We want to move the word to the box. So I'm going to shift select the box, CE. Now you could very easily take away these boxes without any problem. And there you have names in the exact same spot and shrunken down when needed be. Now there are other ways to do it inside of print merge if you have a lot of names, but if you just have a few names and you've got a spot for it, this is a pretty good way. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.